Customer categories. Customer categories are a way of organizing customers within a business or organization. They are often used to classify customers based on various characteristics, such as their location, industry, size, or spending habits. This can help businesses to better understand their customers and tailor their marketing and sales efforts to meet their needs. There are many different ways that customer categories can be defined, and the specific categories used will depend on the needs of the business. For example, a business may use categories such as residential customers, commercial customers, and wholesale customers, while a retailer may use categories such as frequent shoppers, first-time buyers, and VIP customers. You are able to create customer categories for your customers. You can use categories to group your customer accounts for reporting purposes. You can create customer categories in Sage Business Cloud accounting software. To access this function, select Customers, List, Customer Categories. If you want to create new customer category, click Add Category. Enter customer category name and save. After you create customer categories, you can view list of customer categories. You can sort by description. Furthermore, you can create customers and you can link these customer categories to the customer. You can generate reports by customer categories. Go to Customer, Reports. You can generate reports by customer category.